So here's my heavy yard bin, and here's what I'm going to need to drag it up the hill in my compact sedan. I need a towel to provide some padding, we'll see why in a second, and a cheap or reasonable quality tie-down strap. This one's from Harbour Freight, item 47727, but it's just a basic tie-down strap. This one doesn't have the ratchet, it just has the little clip, but it's perfectly fine. So that's what you're going to need. And in order to attach the trash can to the car, I have a handy hole. You just need a hole like this somewhere along the top. I have that I can hook into that's fairly central, and then it's going to close into the trunk right there. But you also need to put something over the bumper, like I use this red towel for padding, because the handle of the trash can, when you stop, will rest against just underneath the trunk lid. So here's the setup. Just close I've got the towel trapped in the underneath of the trunk lid, and the strap is coming out over the top. And here's the strap. I need to take that nut out of there. And then all you need to do is take the strap, put it underneath the handle here, pull it through, bring the strap over the top, the lid of the trash can, down the front, and hook it over where the handle sits right here. Make sure you've got a hook that's big enough, and then let the trash can down slowly so it pulls the strap tight like this, and then there's the strap through the handle over the top of the lid and clipped onto this side, and that holds the lid closed while you drag it up the hill. So in my vehicle I have a backup camera, and it stays on until you get to about 5-10 miles per hour. So what I like to do is I like to put it in reverse so the backup camera comes on, then I can see the trash can, and then I'll put it back into drive, and you can see the camera stays on. And then what I'll do is I'll set off and I can watch it as I drive it up the hill. When you turn the corner, the angle of the trash can changes, but it just follows the car, which is perfect. And then when you arrive where you want to drop the trash can, it's just the reverse, very easy. Grab the trash can, stand it up, come over here, tilt it slightly, unhook the hook, and there we go. Up the top of the hill.